Here's a conversation starter for you. I used to be so constipated as a teenager. I was on back-to-back antibiotics, which totally wrecked my gut. And I had no idea the two were connected. Well, I've learned a lot since then because my health challenges were one of the main reasons I chose a career in wellness. Over the years, I've run 5 colon clinics, written books on gut health, and spent decades on the front lines of intestinal health. I'm Brenda Watson. Constipation is one of the most common GI complaints in the U.S. More than 2.5 million people see their doctor for it every year. So if you're one of them, stick with me. I'm going to share 3 natural ways to get and keep things moving again. Technically, constipation means fewer than 3 bowel movements a week, but I consider normal going at least once every day with a stool that looks like this long, smooth banana. But if your stool is hard and dry and lumpy and difficult to pass, and it leaves you feeling like you didn't fully empty, you're constipated. And here's the thing, your body is always naturally pulling water out of the stool through osmosis. When you're constipated, this continues, so your stool becomes harder and harder. Constipation isn't just uncomfortable, it's your body trying to get your attention that something's off. And when waste builds up in your gut, it can cause toxins to recirculate. These toxins can overwhelm your liver and seep into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation throughout your body. And over time, this toxic overload can increase the likelihood of fatty liver, weight gain, headaches, hormone dysfunction, mood swings, irregular periods, and even skin issues. If you're skipping days or your stool is hard or pebbly, you're constipated and not detoxing properly. And if you don't get to the root of the cause, you stay stuck, literally. So what causes constipation? The 2 biggest culprits by far are not drinking enough water and not eating enough fiber. Without fluids, your stool dries out. Without fiber, digestion slows to a crawl, leaving waste stuck longer than it should be. Most people fall way short of getting what I recommend, which is 35 grams of fiber every day. Try to get it from a wide variety of plant foods and supplements. Other common causes include high protein, low fiber diets, unbalanced microbiomes, medications, stress, excess dairy, and processed foods, ignoring the urge to go, and relying on detox teas or harsh laxatives. They might offer relief short term, but often they leave you worse off. A lot of people turn to quick fixes like psyllium powders or stool softeners. Even natural products like Senna or Cascara Sagrada can be harsh or habit-forming, so be sure to read labels. Consider trying natural solutions that can work just as well without the side effects. Start with the 3 F's. Fiber, especially insoluble fiber, to bulk up your stool. Think leafy greens, veggies with skins, almonds, and quinoa. If you use a supplement, look for flaxseed, pea fiber, or hemp. Now, if eating more fiber every day is new to you, start gradually to help your body adjust. It's worth it because the rewards are amazing. Check out my YouTube video on fiber to go deeper on the 3 kinds of fiber and why your body needs each one. Fluids. Drink water. Fiber and water work in harmony, and fiber without water makes things worse. Aim for half your body weight in ounces. If you weigh 150 pounds, that's 75 ounces of water. And no coffee, tea, or beer doesn't count. Fitness, regular movement stimulates your gut. And again, when you feel the urge to go, go. Holding it in dries out the stool and makes it harder to pass. You can also try a poop stool. It helps you go more easily by raising your feet so your colon straightens, making elimination smoother. The 3 F's, a poop stool and going when you have the urge, are the best approach for regularity and prevention. But if you're already backed up, here are a few gentle quick fixes. Magnesium hydroxide. This is a special form of magnesium that draws water into the bowel to get things moving. It's poorly absorbed, so it stays in the gut and creates a gentle laxative effect. And some herbs can help trigger peristalsis, the muscle contractions that move waste along. My top choices are slippery elm, triphala, marshmallow root, Cape aloe, and rhubarb. Now, when should you worry? If constipation comes with red flags like severe pain, blood in your stool, unexpected weight loss, or complications like hemorrhoids or fissures, or lasts more than a week, see a doctor. For more clues about what your stool says about your health, check out my YouTube video, The Truth About Poop. If you're dealing with constipation, you're not alone and you're not stuck. Grab my free Truth About Poop guide at the link below and subscribe for more gut health information like this.